I see trees of green, red roses too.
Dungan, dungan, dungan
The ear.
are what we use for hearing.
Sounds are produced by vibrations affecting the air molecules. These vibrations are composed of frequencies capable of being detected by the ears. Sound frequencies is measured by hertz, and the intensity of sound is measured in decibels.
Marco?
Sound is important to man and his daily life. Can you imagine a world without sound?
I can. Check this out.
What a wonderful world.
I'm sick of people yelling! I'm sick of the noise! All I want is complete and utter silence! And put it in wish form!
Hearing is one of the 5 traditional senses. But why do we hear things? And what factors cause a sound? So let's take a closer look at the human ear.
Sound waves travel through the air and enter the auditory canal, causing the eardrums to vibrate. The vibrations in the eardrum causes the 3 bones in the middle ear to move: the malleus, the incus, and stapes. The stapes is attached to a thin membrane called the elliptical window. On the other side of this membrane is fluid, housed inside a curled, snail-shaped tube called the cochlea. The vibrations in the membrane causes this membrane to flex, which in turn sets the fluid in motion. The moving fluid tickles thousands of delicate microscopic hair-like cells called cilia. The cilia then converts the vibrations into electric nerve impulses, which the brain interprets as sound.
I see a little silhouette of a man. Scaramouche, Scaramouche, will you do the fandango? Thunderbolt and lightning, very, very frightening me.
Noise or unwanted sound caused by high-intensity vibration that may hurt the ears. Though intensity is measured by decibels, the A-weighted decibel is widely accepted when it comes to measuring environment noise. To better understand noise, different intensity are given to differentiate the levels of sound in A-weighted decibels. For example, whispering may cause the intensity level of just 20 decibels. 90 decibel is the maximum level for an 8-hour day, and any sound level above 90 decibel requires some noise protection. A lawnmower, for example, can cause up to 90 decibel, and without proper sound protection, risk of hearing might occur if you use it for 8 hours. Motorcycles can cause around 95 decibels and risk of hearing damage can happen in 4 hours. 100 decibel caused by chainsaws can risk damaging your hearing within 2 hours of no hearing protection. Helicopters may cause intensity of 105 decibels and may cause your hearing if exposed for more than 1 hour. Some dangerous vehicles like the snowmobile from the driver's seat can risk damaging your ears within 30 minutes. Now, a stadium filled with people can create sounds up to 115 decibels. If sounds like that can focus straight to your hearing, risk of damaging your ears can only take around 15 minutes. Higher intensity, like rock concerts, scale up to 120 decibels, and it will only take 1.5 minutes to risk your hearing. Fireworks display can go up to 125 decibels of sound, and that's already the pain threshold. The immediate danger to your hearing can be caused by something as big as an airplane, which can cause sounds up to 140 decibels at takeoff.
So she said, what's the problem, baby? What's the problem? I don't know. Well, maybe I'm in love. Think about it every time I think about it. Can't stop thinking about it. How much longer will it take to cure this? Just to cure it, 'cause I can't ignore it. If it's love makes me wanna turn around and face me, but I don't know nothing about love. Oh, come on, turn a little faster. Come on.
Thank you for listening to our presentation, and I hope you learned a lot. And remember, one cotton bud is enough for 2 years.
Un brote del algodón es bastante bueno para los oídos.
Un bordón da cotton is a safe, bon for the oriente.
Oh, gumaglo, il polo pag abastanta, jopore, oresh.
Ang usa ka para tulkog sa dunggan kay sakto na sa duha ka dunggan sa usa ka tawo.
我们的颠覆即称神之名，阿门。
Viola, hasta la vista, yo sotia.